To develop a large-size application, you not only need a functional design that follows the trends, but also hours of coding time to complete the goal. Don't forget about the bug fixes and design changes, which make your life harder. And now, think about a ready-made solution which covers it all for you. A solution which helped over 800+ customers save their time and cost. A solution by which you can develop a small to complex-sized app in virtually no time. Meet Wieldy, the all-in-one React starter kit, which follows Ant Design concept and implements Ant Design framework to develop a React app. When normal is not enough, Wieldy offers out-of-the-box implementation of Next.js, JWT Auth, Redux Thunk, Firebase Authentication, and CRUD. Why settle for less when Wieldy offers over 10 handcrafted layouts to meet your every need? Take the guesswork out forever. See fully functional Algolia and Firebase CRUD-powered Mail app, To-Do Task app, Contact app, Chat app, and Notes React apps Wieldy offers. Building interactive maps with Wieldy is easy. It uses the most popular Google Maps and Maps libraries to enhance location-based experience in your app. We believe that our success relies upon the customers. Our range of services includes detailed documentation, video tutorials, and more. Our always connected customer support team works round the clock to deliver solutions that exceed expectations. Do more by doing less. Save your cost and time. Buy a copy of Wieldy now.